Hey everyone, this is Kevin J. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on the media channel. And hey, first of all, the camera audio, or I mean the microphone audio has been fixed, so everything should sound better. That's one thing, although because these videos are scheduled sporadically, it might still jump around. But here's the second thing. This is the first video that is being shot in 4K 60 frames per second. Will it make a difference? I don't know. You're going to have to let me know. But I figure a great way to test that is with the unboxing of Wicked for Good. Look at that shiny goodness. Oh my, that is beautiful. You know, I was a little disappointed about missing out on the Steelbook, but with a cover that pretty, how can you complain? It's so shiny. Look at that yellow brick road, all golden. It says this contains the theatrical version and the sing-along. I think that's dumb marketing. The sing-along is just subtitles. Interestingly, and you can tell that the movie was a hit because of this, this includes the Blu-ray as well as the 4K. A lot of the 4Ks we unbox today do not have the Blu-ray unless it's a special features disc as a cost-cutting measure. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, we have on the side, just look for, you know, they missed a chance to put Ariana on one side and Cynthia on the other. On the back, oh, that's just so shiny. We have many of these scenes from the movie. Interestingly, I didn't notice this until I was kind of looking at it a little earlier, but Ariana Grande is actually listed as the #1 star instead of Cynthia Erivo, unlike last time. That's very interesting. So obviously when you take the slipcover off, it's not as pretty, to be perfectly honest. But hey, it's still a good cover. I wish that they had used a cover of them like facing off on the cliffs like on the poster. But it is what it is. So let's open this and let's see what's inside this. And I'm sorry, folks, I'm keeping the digital copy. Look, once in a while, I do give away the digital copy. I strongly encourage everyone to subscribe for that reason. In fact, I can tell you there are a couple 4Ks that are going to be delivered where I will not need the digital copy, and I will be giving those away on this site. So there you go. All right, let's first take the digital copy out. Oh, you can listen to the soundtrack when you scan that. That's pretty cool. And okay, that's what I was hoping would be on the cover. That's really cool. Now, why is this not green or pink or even a mixture? This is the Blu-ray. I do not know, but that's pretty nice. I like that design. I do like that there are some special features like deleted scenes in Making of Wicked. There's actually a commentary on this. This supports Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos. So that's really cool. And obviously, if you own the first one, why wouldn't you get this one? Like, seriously, that's a no-brainer right there. So anyway, that is Wicked for Good on 4K. I am curious, this movie was not considered as good as the first one. And I agree. I gave the first movie 4.5 stars. This one I gave 3.5 stars. Still good, not as good. But I'm curious, what do you all think of this movie? What do you think of this set? Did you get the Steelbook? What do you think of the special features? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to, it is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, you know, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.